Welcome. In this video I'm going to take a look at fixing a problem with the GE Profile refrigerator with the freezer on the bottom. This is the tag on it, and I put the model number in the title of this video. This might pertain to other GE refrigerators too. This was probably made around 2015. So we have the slide out freezer here. And if you look back behind here, there's probably like a ½ inch of ice accumulating there, and sometimes that will leak out onto the floor right down here on both sides. So both of these trays lift out, and you can remove these to remove the ice, and then I'll go around the back of the fridge to fix the actual problem. So this isn't a comprehensive repair tutorial. I'm just going through the steps I did to fix this. So I pulled the fridge away from the wall, and I took this back panel off. There's just screws around the perimeter. It's pretty simple to do. And then we have the coil here, and then this tube was connected right here, and on top of it, it had this part. Let me get this in the light. So this is the part. You can see inside of it has those little slits. So that fits on top of the tube like this, and that connects here to this white tube. So it's in there kind of like so. So this is how it was when I took the panel off. And what happened is this part got clogged, so the water, instead of going through the tube down into this catch pan, was going on the outside of the tube onto the coil. So you can see kind of mineral deposits on this coil here. So that was one problem. The other problem is that it was draining inside of the freezer itself. So under the freezer drawer is a block of ice. So that'll need to be cleared. I'll melt that a little bit and I should be able to pop it out pretty easily. So for this part, I put it in some vinegar and used a toothbrush and cleaned it out until I could see light through those slits again. Now you can potentially buy one of these. I'll put a part number below for this, but I'm not sure exactly where to buy this. It may be discontinued, I'm not sure. I was able to clean this one, so I didn't research it a lot, but I'll put the part number down below if you want to research it if you need to get a new one. So while I had this off, I also cleaned this. This was super dirty. I have no idea why they don't put filters on these. So in order to do that, I have a 20-inch box fan here, and I have a 20 by 21-inch filter, but I put it in front of the box fan, and it was sucking air this way. Well, first I vacuumed what I could, but after that, I took a blowgun, like so, and I blew into the coils, and I also had a big shop vac here kind of nearby, but that didn't catch it all. So that's why I had the big fan there. So that pulled a lot of volume through here and took all the little dust particles out of the air. It's not the best way to do it. I mean, if you could design a house for this, you'd make it so you could roll this out on a patio and blow it out with a leaf blower or an air compressor or something, because it can make a mess. But they don't make it easy to clean. And I don't know if you can remove this easily. So I cleaned this out a little bit too. I just blew a little air in there and sucked it up. But I'm guessing this could clog again. So probably every couple of years I'll pull this out, vacuum this. Well, I probably should do it every year. Vacuum this off and then clean this again. So hopefully this helps some people out. This isn't a beginner tutorial. This is for someone who is somewhat familiar with fixing things and just wants a little bit of guidance before they start. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.